If KB5053602 is not installing on your Windows 11 device, it could be due to several reasons such as network issues, corrupted system files, or issues with the update itself. Here's a set of steps to help you resolve the problem. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in tool to diagnose and fix common update issues automatically. Steps. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I. Go to System Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Windows Update, then click Run. Let the troubleshooter check for issues and follow any recommended actions. 2. Check for system compatibility. Make sure that your system meets the requirements for the update. Sometimes an update may fail if there is hardware incompatibility or missing drivers. Visit the Windows Update History page on Microsoft's website to verify if there are known issues with KB5053602 for your specific device. 3. Check disk space. Ensure your system has enough free space to install updates. Go to Settings greater than System, greater than Storage, and check if there's enough free space. If not, try deleting unnecessary files. 4. Manually install the update. Sometimes updates can be manually downloaded and installed directly from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Steps. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website, https://catalog.update.microsoft.com/home.aspx. Search for KB5053602. Download the appropriate update package for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Once downloaded, double-click the file to install it manually. Contact Microsoft support. If none of the above methods works, you may need to contact Microsoft support for further assistance. They can help diagnose more complex issues.